Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide dedicated to help you get rid of the push notifications by the site totalbeststories.com. Totalbeststories.com is a dangerous site. It may attack Google Chrome and it may affect other browsers too. So it tries to make you click on allow, supposedly to help you subscribe to the push notifications or continue watching some video. But definitely it is a mistake to click on allow, because this may hijack your browser and may even redirect your browser to many dangerous sites. And also, you may start facing a lot of intrusive pop-up ads in the form of push notifications. To remove these ads, access the menu Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications, and remove any junk sites in case you find their presence on the list. One by one, carefully get rid of them. Finally, I recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner, which can be found on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and start investigating your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.